Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I told you last time that I was going to get my IUD replaced. It's today, guys, and I'm running late, so let's go. My driver is almost here. I don't know where. It's still 1 minute, so let me check. Yes, he's here, guys. So yeah, that's the driver right there. So let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm always late. I don't know, but I'm not late. It's 3, so I'm on time. Let's go. Guys, I'm here, so I'm gonna leave. I'm here. This is the bathroom. I'm gonna leave my urine sample, and I'm going to do pregnancy test. Hopefully, I'm not pregnant. And yeah, see you. How are you doing today? Good. Of course. Hi, welcome in. No problem. So I'm waiting for them to call me. I'm in the waiting room. Thank God I'm not late today. I'm usually late, but today I'm early. I'm here at 30 minutes. What time it is? I got here at 3:33. It's 3:55 now. I'm super early today, which is good. So I have 5 more minutes before 4. The appointment is at 4 p.m. So I do have 5 more minutes before. So you're here. See you all later. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you once I'm done because I'm pretty sure that I cannot film the process. So I will have to wait. Once I'm done, I'm gonna tell you everything. But I'm just scared about the pain. I don't want to go through pain again, but I don't have choice. And also I took ibuprofen before I came in. So I took ibuprofen. I hope that it will help me. Alright guys, see y'all later. Guys, we are here. Guys, we are done. I did it. I did it, guys. Done. Now let's go home. Guys, let me show you around. This place is so beautiful. You can, and it's raining. It's going to rain. It's going to rain. It's going to rain, guys. Guys, the rain just starts. So let me wait for my driver inside. Oh my god. It's a rainy day. I don't have my mic also. So yeah. Let me wait for my driver inside. I was going to show you around, but this raining, guys. I better go inside. Let's go inside. Let's wait inside. My ride is coming like in 6 minutes. So let's just wait inside. Bye. Nobody's here. Everyone is leaving. I'm the only one here because they close at 4. So I'll be the only one. Bye. I'll be the only one here now. It says 2 minutes. Thanks. Well, I think this driver is taking forever now. It's 2 minutes out. It's already gone. It's raining, guys. What time it is? 9:20. 9:20. No, that's not. Guys, this driver is taking forever since they said 2 minutes. It's already 5 minutes now. Now he's saying 0 minutes. And I'm not seeing any. I think he's coming. I think he's the one coming over there. Hopefully. Yeah, that's him coming. So alright guys, I'm back home. I'm not feeling any pain right now, but you know what, I'm gonna do another video talking about what happened there. I don't want this video to be so long, so I'm gonna do another video and I will tell you everything, how the pain was and everything, guys. But yeah, I'm back home, no pain for now. You will see. So I'm gonna give you a review after a month. Yeah, so we can compare with the first one. You know, I will tell you about the spotting, you know, everything. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video. My baby is crying. Bye.